Good morning, friends. My name is Samuel Koyocha, communicating from the land of rising sun in West Africa. I want to make a quick update. It's been long. I have not made midweek analysis. I'm very, very busy, very, very busy. I'm into learning. You know, to be a teacher, you need to be updating your knowledge. So I'm into learning, and it's all about Forex. So, okay. As I know Elliott Wave. I teach Elliott Wave, and I know there are other things I need to know to widen the scope of my knowledge. Okay, so I will be showing you only 4 hours and 1 hour charts. This is DXY. Excuse me. DXY is still going up. Anyway, as a matter of fact, I think if you'll be following my charts, you will know that in correction, there are 2 things in correction. There are 2 things in correction in any market. There's what we call zigzag, something like this. Maybe you call it A, B, C. There is flat, something like this. That is expanding flat. In that case, this is A, this is B, this is C, expanding flat, running flat. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So all these things, we need to be aware of them so that we don't get confused. So right now, in DXY, as far as I concern, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So either we have flats, running flats, or expanding flats. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this move will likely end within this very blue and red box. Even if it goes above it, it's not out of the structure. So it may make an either a running flat or expanding flat. So that is one of the reasons you don't enter in because you are anticipating something of that nature. So for now, here is our bullish bearish confirmation. Of course, this is the first bearish confirmation. It sold and now is buying. So if you know how to monitor your trade, whenever the market comes out of this box, you can sell. And if you like, you can just open a sell, but you know that it may take out it may take you by stop loss. Then it will begin to sell. So now what we do is, let me advise you, keep watching this. Whenever you see a bearish candle, you know what bearish candle is. I mean, I don't have time to waste here. So whenever you see a candle that confirms, okay, now this is a bullish candle. This is a bullish candle. So when you see this type of candle in this direction, then you know that this wave B is up, because this is wave B. A, B, C. So whenever this bearish candle is over, you can enter, because you may, but the standard place for entry is here. So, but if you were to enter here, the market might start to do a running flat. By then, you will not make any profit. Okay, so watch out. Any one of our close candle that give us a bearish candle is a second to trade the wave C. Okay, that's for DSY. The Euro USD. Somebody was lamenting in my group that Euro USD keep falling. Yes, I'm not surprised that it keeps falling. So it is still in the market. So just like what I said earlier, to me, this is the 5th wave, and this is A, then this is B. So the B is trying to do maybe an expanding flat. So let me label it. So I think for now, this is how I see it with A, B. So B can come as low as 1.15 area. So now, and if that happens, we will likely get an expanding flat. Okay, so C will just come something near to this place. So this is just, I'm just talking based on 1 hour. So so we might have similar thing on 4 hours. Okay. So this very candle, as a matter of fact, that's why we don't enter market in anticipation, because what I was thinking is that we will have a break of this triangle, but it didn't happen. Rather, it keeps going down. So it doesn't matter. So we will keep watching. We keep watching how it develops. So a negative close on 4 hour candle, 1 hour candle confirms the reversal. So market doesn't go to a direction forever. And remember, now, see, whenever I make a chart, most of the time I will guide you very well. See, this is bullish confirmation. Now, when I saw this drop, I was thinking that it is the last one. Then, in order not to presume, I want to see it close above here. So I did not buy, because I don't want to buy on presumption. Okay, though sometimes it can confirm and still go down, but at this moment, it didn't do that. So here remains the bullish confirmation. But we can buy from here with little loss side if we get a reversal candle to the upside. Okay. JPY. JPY. The market said to make some surprises, and of course, this pair is making a triangle. I don't know if the triangle will work or not, but for now, this drop, I didn't sell it, and I don't regret not selling it, because I never expected it. Okay, so for now, I'm yet to decide what to do on this very pair. So when market begins to do something you don't understand, then you have to wait. So I am, in my own idea, I prefer to buy than to sell. So I'll be watching for it to give me a buy setup, either within this reversal zone or within this support, right? So let me go to the next. GBP, it is still in our reversal zone. I don't know whether it will still go down or not. I don't know, but it is still in the reversal zone. So it is still in the reversal zone. So I don't want to say much about it. What is our buying confirmation? Did I point out any buying level? Let me check 1 hour. Let me look for buying. Okay, this is our confirmation for buy. That becomes the level, the buy level. When the market closes above here, that's when I can advise you to buy. But as long as here it remains unbroken, sorry, here please. Once here remains unbroken, then the selling may continue. Then now, what we look at is this: if a drop continues, maybe the market drops again. and creates a new low. If the market drops again and make a new low, then here becomes our buy level. But for now, here is our buy level. Hope you understand what I mean. Okay, the next is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, to me, it is still a buy. Sorry, it is still in a sell zone, because let me check daily. So this is with A. Then with B is developing in A, B, C. So we have gotten A and B. So the C need to come to this low. Okay, so whatever is happening here, I don't have the, to me, we don't have a buy setup for now. But whenever market is behaving like this, you may decide to trade it or leave it. If you're trading it, you trade it with a smaller lot size. For instance, when this drop happened, I expected something like this. I expected something like this to happen. After this drop, a kind of minor correction, then a big drop, but it made a rapid move, and then rapid move down again. So markets can behave anyhow. So maybe we might get some move again before the dropping. So what I'm saying in essence is that I can only sell AUD and not buy, okay, until I see this ABC completed. But now I didn't trade it now. I left it when this happened. I sold this, closed somewhere here. Then for now I didn't. But if I see the price come to this level again, I will sell again. New Zealand, it's turned at our reversal zone, is now going up. So, and it has finally confirmed the bullish level I pointed out earlier. Okay, so now I can only talk about, I can only say it is going up. So no reason for me to sell it this time, only buy. If you bought it at the reversal level, you may consider moving your stop loss. You may also moving your stop loss. So better, if you bought here, you may move your stop loss to this level. This level. Okay. Euro CHF. Right now, it is in our reversal zone. It is tested. It tested the reversal zone. It has come to the reversal zone, but not deep in the reversal zone. Remember, all this area is a reversal zone. But in confluence, we have this and this. This is a reversal zone for Elliott Wave pattern, this blue and the red diagram. Then this is a reversal zone for another pattern. So you can see the two coincided. We have a confluence. So, but for a better trading, wait for the market to close above here. Then you can buy. Because why? It can make a little move and come deeper. By then, your stop loss might not be enough to carry the whole drop. Okay, on daily, we have a complete structure: W, X, Y, X, Z. So I think we are not going this very deep. It can happen, but for now, I think buying Just keep watching that level I show you. The buying is good to buy from here. So that's the thing. Now let's check Euro card. Euro card is in our reversal zone. And we have gotten a reversal candle already. So let me show you 4 hours. So all these places is the reversal zone we have. Okay. So the market went deep. This is one of the reasons I told you not to buy on presumption, because we may get a deep move. So the market came very deep in the reversal zone. Okay. Right now, it gave us a reversal candle. This is last candle here is a reversal candle, and it seems to be going down again. But it doesn't matter. If you want to trade it, this is an ideal way to trade it. A close above here will be the buy. Then here remains the stop loss. So that's what the idea I have about it. Okay. And I don't think it will still going down. I don't think. So, but don't just enter buy. Wait for it to give us a big move above this level. Well, this level is not. Anyway, for a better, here is a better place to place a trade above this level. But if it goes above here in a big, in a speedy manner, then it will likely also go above this place. USD card. USD card made a harmonic pattern that also in agreement with harmonic pattern, and the market reversed. So I think we are going to buy at least above this level, at least. And the market is forming a triangle. Okay. The triangle is more visible on daily charts. You can see this is wave A. Then the B formed a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. So, and whenever triangle is formed, what next are we looking at? This is what we are looking at. What we likely get. If the triangle stands, if we don't get a truncation of the triangle, maybe if you don't get a move, a sharp move down again, then this is where we will likely land in this blue box. So this is where I'm looking at to get the wave C. Then after that, we may continue the selling, because why we all know after any 5 waves move, we get a move to the opposite direction. And here we have 5 waves. That's said a long time ago. So we have a 5-wave move down that started on 16th of March 2020 and completed on 19th of May 2021. So getting 5 waves to move back is not a big deal. It's only patience. Can you wait for it to complete? Will you get confused at in the middle where you don't know what the market is doing? Okay, so all these things is what will teach you how to control your emotion if you join our class. So have you shown you this? I don't know what else to say on this. Let's move. I have only 30 minutes I have only 30 minutes here, and I think it's already going. Okay, here's JPY. It moves it moves a bit higher than our target. Okay, so okay, this is, I think the wave B have ended. In my opinion, the wave B have ended. So entering, if you don't have any open position, you sell this, stop loss here, yeah, stop loss here, take profit around here. Let me measure it to be precise. Okay, so here is take profit. So you can sell all the way from here to here. Maybe before the week runs out, it may get to this level. So no need showing you one hour chart, or maybe for the sake of the last 3 hours, the candle is dropping. So I don't think we are going higher than this level again. USD CHF. USD CHF and USD JPY, they are doing something similar. Okay. So right now it's completed a harmonic pattern, move a bit above the level and come back. So you can see our reversal zone. It can reverse early in the middle or even pierce it, as you can see, but 90% of the time, the market will turn within the reversal zone. So, and you see this reversal zone. If I show you a line chart, you will know that the market didn't close above it. Let me show you a line chart. It is still in line in the, you see, it didn't go above the reversal zone. Okay, so the maximum area we expect a reversal for USD is within this area. So between 9325 and 9314 is where we expect with B to end. Okay, so you get prepared to trade it. It will likely follow his twin brother. I see USD JPY and USD CHF as twins. Okay, so JPY have started moving. The twin will also like to join him very soon. So let's project where we are looking at. In case if we get this to this level, anyway, it's all the same. Okay, but let me project to the maximum. So this is what I'm looking at. When the selling starts, then we sell down to this 918, 916, 915, 914 area. So that's what we will likely get. Either it turns here. If it couldn't continue to this level, whenever it breaks this line, then you enter your sell. Okay, so keep watching it. USDs are, I don't trade it now, but if I'm trading it, watch out for reversal again. So to me, you can see this is 5 waves. I don't want. I can't go to details because I don't have time. So this is wave A. Wave B might have started, or it may come to this level. Then wave C will drop. So it's up to you to monitor it to know whether it will come to this level or not. So, but stop loss remains above here. Do you know why? This is that we may say to get the market might like to do expanding flats or running flats. Then if your stop is here, it will kill your stop. Then after some hours, you see it's coming back again. So to be on the safe zone, if market enters this box and comes out of it, you can now sell it out of the box and the stop loss above this level. Okay, this is my advice for that. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD made a sudden drop. Let me show you 4 hours. Okay. And as a matter of fact, this is one of the reasons I always give a level for buy or sell. You can see, I said that here is our bullish confirmation. The market just came to the level. Instead of confirming the buy, it dropped again. So what will you do on this pair? Right now, it is also in the buying zone again. So if you're willing to take risk, if you're willing to take the risk, maybe with a smaller size, you can open a trade. Now, stop loss will be here. Okay, so the reason there are some risk. I like to take. From my experience and from what I see on the chart, this market will likely reverse within this level and break this and at least come to this level. But you know, this is a bullish market. See, this is 5 waves move. This is correction. So we are getting another move that we close above this. So when you target something big and risk little more, I think it's worth it. It's like you are risking $50 to make $1,500. So why won't you risk it? Then if you are a conservative trader, let's go down to 1 hour to look for something that will be okay. Now you may not like to risk, then watch out for something like this. If you get a big candle like this, then what you will do again is that you will look for a candle like this, then you buy. Okay, so that is my advice for you. So after this analysis, I will enter buy. I bought it here, I close it around here, either here or here. So I will buy it again. The risk is nothing to compare the reward at the long run. But no, this is a trade of about 2 weeks or a month for it to complete. So don't think it will come this week. No, there is no such a magic in the market. So I don't have time anymore, but let me rush and give you things that are more important. Let me go to gold, because these are the trades that will take place anytime from now. So now gold, you know, gold has completed the bearish correction. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. A, B, C. So if gold enters this zone, it's time to buy. Then this last drop can serve as support. So if this was as support, it's not left to you whether you are buying it or you. Now let me tell you what I think will happen. If this could not hold this trade, it will come down and reverse inside the here. And if it comes to inside this place, I will buy it inside the here. My stop loss will be here. Then whenever it's close above this level, I will bring my stop loss to this level. Then if it begins to go up from here, I will watch it. If it closes above this level, I will buy. Because if it closes above this level, it means that the wave C ended here. But for now, the wave C is still uncertain. So the same thing goes with silver. So these two trades is what I'm looking at to trade with USD JPY and USD CHF. So the same goes with silver. Silver is also making ABC. So who knows where it will turn, whether it will So I don't know if it will still go deeper or not. So for now, I don't know whether here we serve as resistance. I don't know. I mean support. I don't know. But all I know is that I'll enter a buy if I see the market drop in this blue box. I look for buying opportunity. If not, when it goes above this level, I will buy. So this is the two trades I'm looking at that I will not like to miss, because the next move will move up very, very well. Okay, so GBP is dropping. That's the normal thing. Where will the dropping end? I don't know. Are we getting new low? For now, I don't have time to check this chart now. So pardon me. Pounds USD is also dropping, and the dropping. Okay. Now I know the reason. Okay, now we still have chance. We still have chance to get a new low. Okay, do you know the reason? The reason is this: we are expecting a double zigzag, W, X, Y, and if that will happen, then we will likely get another. We will likely get another drop towards this level. Okay, so the daily chart is showing that we can still have a new drop. So in lower time frame, any corrective move, the sell is preferable when we get a corrective move. So what happened here is correction, but it can do A, B, C. So mind you. So for now, if you don't enter here, wait for it. Maybe towards the weekend, I will look into it again. Let me see daily of pounds JPY again. Maybe they have the same structure. Let me check whether they have something similar. Okay, you can see the daily. We are looking for a drop to this level on daily. So for now, it calls for caution, because a daily chart is showing that we still have more room for dropping, but lower time frame is saying that we are buying, and then we know that bigger time frame is split to lower time frame. So let's leave those space and check Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin goes above our target because I measured the target as a correction, but it is a bullish move. Now, to me, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get A, B, C. And as I have said before, it's not an idea to try to sell or buy with A. Leave with A to finish with B, then trade with C, because you cannot be sure if wave 5 is over or not. That is why just like just like USD JPY and USD CHF. Wave A have ended. Wave B is about to end. So wave C, you can trade it with peace of mind. Then like USD, you can see how it is dropping. So that part is still the part of wave 5, which drops bigger than we expected. So this happens in trade. That's why you don't presume and buy. So I'm going to an end of this analysis. You can see Ethereum. Ethereum is completed a pattern on harmonics and is now dropping. So maybe this is the 50 wave. Well, let me see 1 hour. Okay. Okay, of course, it's a 5 waves move. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will likely get now is an A, B, C. So that now I'm not sure whether wave A is over or not. So I'm just making presumption. Okay, so let's keep a close look. Okay, that's all the time I have. I don't have time anymore. So till weekend, if you want to join our group, the link is always there. We have Telegram group, free Telegram group. Then we have the group for the students. If you need that, if you want to join our students, then you let me know. You private chat me, and I'll tell you conditions. I don't charge much, but I'll give you much knowledge. Thank you for watching. Thank you.